But if 2x 5 to the power 2x minus 1 is equal to this, so we have to solve this for x and find the value of x. So let's do it. Over here, what we are going to do is, this is 5 2x minus 1. Okay, and this will be 1 by 125 can be written as 5 cube. See, 125 by 5. This will become 25. Then 5. So we have got 3 5, which means we can write 125 as 5 cube. Both means the same. So we are going to use 5 cube and then x minus 3. Now see, 1 by 5, 3 into x. So this becomes 3x. 3 into 3, minus 9. So this is what we have got. Okay. Now what we can do is, because here on the left hand side you can see this 5. This is only 5 and this is 1 by 5, which means we have to use a negative power of for this one or this one, any one of them. So I choose this side of it first. Okay, so we can write it in this manner. This is actually 5 to the power minus, and we have got this 3x minus 9, just in order to make a reciprocal of this. So now what do we get is 5 minus 3x and minus into minus plus 9. So now you can see, if we compare both the sides, this is equal to this. So let's do it. Therefore, 2x plus 1, which was this side, you can see. No, it's not plus 1, it is minus 1. 2x minus 1 is equal to, see this side, minus 3x plus 9. So, minus 3x plus 9. Now, x is on one side, on the left hand side, so 2x. If we bring minus 3x to the other side, the minus becomes plus 3x is equal to 9 already here. This minus 1 moves to the other side, so this becomes plus 1. So we get 3x plus 2x, that is 5x, is equal to 10. Therefore, we can write x is equal to 10 by 5. Cancel it out. The answer will be 2. So that is how we are going to solve this. We will move to something similar. See, this question is given. If 9n into 3 to the power 5 into 27 to the power 3 by 3 into 81 to the power 4 is equal to 27, then we have to find the value of n. Firstly, write the whole expression in exponential form. So 9n can be written as 3 square to the power n, which was already here. So here 3 square, only 9 is replaced as 3 square. So it was to the power n, so I have written to the power n as it is, into 3 to the power 5 into 27 can be written as, 27 means 3, 9, 3 and 3. So 27 can be written as 3 cube. So replace 27 with 3 cube. So we are going to write 3 cube. Here, write down 3 cube, and the whole thing was to the power 3. So to the power 3. 81 can be written as, you see, 81, 3. This becomes 27. 3 becomes 9. Then 3. So which means 81 can be written as 3 to the power 4. So we will replace 81 with 3 to the power 4. Here there is already 3, write it down. 81, replace it with 3 to the power 4. And here you can see to the power 4. So whole to the power 4. This is what is done. And you can see this 27 can be written as 3 cubes. Simple. So this side is sorted. Nothing else we have to do about the right side. Only we are going to solve the left side now. You can see everything is given to the power 3. First simplify it like 3. Multiply the powers 2 into n becomes 2n. So 2n into 3 to the power 5 into 3 to the power 3 and whole to the power 3, which means 3 to the power 9. Powers need to be multiplied. 3 into here also 4 into 4. Powers need to be multiplied. So 3 to the power 16. So this is what we have got. Everything is in terms of 3. So simply for multiplication we are going to add the powers, and for the division sign we are going to subtract the powers. So simple. Let's write 3. Let's add all the powers that is to be multiplied, that is these powers 2n, 5 and 9. We are going to add this 2n plus 5 plus 9, and we are going to subtract this. Nothing is written with here, that means it is to the power 1. So it is to the power minus 1, and this is to the power minus 16 because it is in the denominator, you can see. Now we are going to solve this part. 2n plus, add 9 plus 5 becomes 14. 14 minus 1 becomes 13. So we've got 13 and minus 16, which becomes minus 3. So we're going to write minus 3. Now see, from here we can derive that 2n minus 3 is equal to this 3. So we are going to write this, that means 2n, therefore 2n minus 3 is equal to 3. We are going to solve it. 2n is equal to 3. Minus 3 moves to the other side, so this becomes plus 3. And then 2n is equal to 3 plus 3, 6. And n is equal to 6 by 2. Cancel it out, my answer will be 3. So the value of n becomes 3. So this is how we are going to solve these kind of questions.